What to eat when you have a fever? When you have a fever, your hunger may seem non-existent, but you're really burning more calories than usual due to the extra stress on your body. Furthermore, when you're fighting an illness, your body needs nourishment and energy to help your immune system fight back. Today's video focuses on 7 foods that will aid in a quicker recovery when you have a fever. 1. Greek yogurt. If you can handle dairy, yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, which can help you heal by enhancing your gut microbiota. When friendly microorganisms thrive in your gut, your immune system functions comfortably and healthily. Because your gut, and the beneficial bacteria that live there, is your first line of protection against colds and flu, it's important to keep it healthy. Greek yogurt is also a great source of protein per serving, so even if you don't have much of an appetite, a modest quantity will provide you with a lot of nutrients. When you have a fever, your body burns more calories, therefore eating well is important for your recovery. 2. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is a dietary staple for anybody with a fever since it clears our nasal passages, keeps us warm when we have the chills, and contains amino acids that help fight the flu. This soup is easy to digest, has a rich amount of protein, which we need to build up our bodies when we have a fever, and it gives required hydration. In addition, a hot cup of chicken soup is the ideal comfort meal, as it soothes a sore throat. 3. Coconut water. Staying hydrated is essential for your body to work at its best. Fluids aid in the regulation of body temperature, the prevention of infection, and the transfer of essential nutrients to your cells. This is especially vital if you have a fever and are perspiring a lot. Coconut water is a fantastic hydrator, and it can help you replace the necessary fluids and electrolytes you've lost due to perspiration or diarrhea. Plus, unlike regular water, it's high in potassium, which your muscles and nerves require to operate correctly, as well as your body's requirement to regulate your heartbeat. Choose a brand that is made entirely of coconut water, with no additional sweeteners. 4. Fruit. Fruits are great for rehydrating since they contain at least 80% water, and many include a large quantity of vitamin C, which is important for immunological response and cell repair. Oranges and other vitamin C-rich citrus fruits can help your immune system fight infections that are causing your fever. Bananas and avocados are wonderful stomach-friendly choices since they are less prone to induce gastrointestinal distress. 5. Vegetables. Veggies, like fruits, provide an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals that can strengthen the immune system and help you get rid of a fever. Raw vegetables are high in fiber, which can induce gas and bloating, so go for cooked vegetables that are simpler to digest. 6. High-protein foods. Protein is at the top of the list of infection-fighting nutrients. This is due to the fact that your body needs protein in order to produce antibodies, which help defend you from invading germs. Protein-rich foods, such as beans, almonds, lean meat, and chicken, provide the minerals selenium and zinc, which are essential for immune system function. Eggs, which include vitamin D, a necessary element for immunological function, are another high-protein food. Adding some diced chicken or beans to a broth-based soup is a fantastic way to get adequate protein. 7. Herbs and spices. Surprisingly, your spice cabinet may include a variety of natural fever relievers and immunity boosters. Garlic, for example, contains allicin, an antibacterial chemical that might aid in the reduction of inflammation and perhaps the treatment of a fever. Consuming aged garlic extract may improve immune cell activity and, as a result, reduce the severity of cold symptoms. Another spice that might help the immune system is ginger. The primary ingredient, gingerol, has therapeutic characteristics that help with inflammation, nausea, and vomiting, among other symptoms. Ginger can be used to make a broth, added to meals, or brewed as a tea. The potent plant also has antibacterial properties and can fight bothersome infections like germs. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.